Cathy Bougreau, Boatshed, Bourgogne. Good morning. On this barge of 1912, we are in the wheelhouse, 30 meters long, almost 5 meters large. Aft cabin with a private toilet here. Large cabin, large bed with private shower, basin. £1.30 for the draft, £3.45 for the air draft. The barge restored by the current owners during 10 years. The galley, big, large, very nice. Only 2 steps to go to the saloon. Very flat finish barge, very flat barge, and these steps are leading to the terrace used during the summer. 2 forward cabins, special furniture for this cabin, and again basin, shower, electric toilet. Wood, 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 everywhere, clear wood, very nice decoration. And here 2 private shower, toilet and basin. One generator, one bath rester, one boiler, Wiesmann boiler, to provides warm water. Cathy Bougreau, Boatshed, Bourgogne, do not hesitate to call me for this barge of 1912.